Hello and welcome to this video tour of number 12 Dowding Close. What we have here is a 3-bedroom semi-detached house originally built by Bryant Homes. It's still the Cranmore style, and for those of you that know about the different styles, this particular one has the downstairs WC but also 3 really quite good sized bedrooms. So it's a slightly larger style of the 3-bed semis that Bryant Homes built. So this particular house is in a cul-de-sac. I'm just going to spin round and show you the cul-de-sac. Forgive me for the fact that it's dustbin day today, but this is the end of the cul-de-sac. Rather pleasant. And just going full circle, this is where we come in from Mitchell Way. So this property, the frontage of this, as you can see, has been block paved to create additional parking. The garage has been partly altered and is now used as a utility room as well. So hence the driveway being extended to create more parking. And there's a gate at the side of the garage, which you'll see there, that takes you through to the rear garden. So let me take you through into the house itself. Whilst I'm walking, I can tell you that Woodley C of E School is within walking distance, as is the park, which is just around the corner, very pleasant. And also we have the shopping precinct, which is very close by, again literally a few minutes walk round the corner, where you've got Tesco's Express, you've got the doctor's surgery, and other shops as well, pharmacy, that sort of thing. Woodley Shopping Centre isn't too far from here as well. A reasonable walk, but certainly doable. So the house itself then, let me just spin around first of all and show you the entrance that I've just come through. There's the front door. It's one of these 3-point locking system front doors. You'll notice the window here on the left. They're UPVC double glazed sealed unit windows throughout the whole house. So let's now focus on the lounge. So you'll notice as we walk round, this is a very nicely decorated house. In fact, I'd probably say it's immaculate. Very nice presentation. The lounge, slight alteration to the lounge, because that's not a real chimney breast, that one. It's just like a mock chimney breast, but creates a bit of character into the room. And then looking to my right here, you'll notice we've got a bay window. It's got shutters on that window. Again, UPVC double glazed sealed unit. There's the fireplace around there, the chimney breast. And then door ahead of us takes us into the kitchen dining room. And this door on the left here, this will take you through the stairs, the downstairs WC, and also access to the utility and garage. I'll show you the kitchen dining room first. So let's just focus on the dining area first of all. Plenty of space there, as you can see, for dining table and chairs. And we say hello to the cat as well. We've got bifold doors there opening onto the patio. It's quite a nice touch. Quite a modern style, modern finish, as is the kitchen. This has been refitted, very nicely presented, nice units, nice work surfaces, you know, base units, eye level units. You can see the sink there inset, that's under the window. We've got a ceramic hob, but also on the left here, built-in double oven, as you can see. And then last but not least, in this room, just pointing out the flooring, very nice. This is a proper tiled floor, but it's almost like a wood grain effect, but perfect for a kitchen diner. And then we'll take you into this inner hallway. I'll show you the WC first. There's the stairs, by the way, turning staircase. This is the low-level WC here, and pedestal wash basin, the cloakroom. Part sort of wood panelling there as well. Just nicely finished decoration and flooring. And then, so this door on the left here, this would have taken you into the garage originally. So what we have here is a utility area, as you can see. Now this actually is the rear end of the garage. That ahead of me there is a very simple stud wall. So it could be removed if someone wants this to go back to a garage very easily. But obviously this is how a lot of people like it these days. So it is the rear of the garage, but used as a utility area, as you can see. Good for storage as well, especially as we've got direct access from the house. I'll just show you through this door, a sort of short garage storage area. You can see we've got a roller door there on the front, probably about 8-9 foot in depth, so plenty of space for a bit of storage. Okay, so that's the ground floor. Let's now take you upstairs and show you the first floor. Worth mentioning as I'm going upstairs, this property is literally, I'd say, 5 minutes drive away from the A329M access onto the M4. So, very convenient location. So, 3 bedrooms, as I mentioned earlier. They're good sized bedrooms, these. Let's start with the main bedroom first of all. That's this one in here. Front aspect. Plenty of space for furniture on this wall over here. But I'm going to step forward, turn around, because I'd like to show you that we also have built-in wardrobes just there. Sliding doors with the central one being mirrored. And a nice sort of wood panelled effect decor on the wall there behind the bed. So the main bedroom is that one. The second bedroom is at the rear, and that's this one here. Again, as you can see, really good size, plenty of space for double bed. Rear aspect window. And then the third bedroom. Now this is where this particular style of house wins, because this third bedroom is really quite a good size. Very often third beds on 3-bedroomed houses, semi-detached houses, tends to be, you know, a very small room, sometimes even a box room, but this is certainly not. I've sold a couple of these recently, this particular style, and I've seen double beds in this room against that wall to my right there. And then let's finish with the bathroom. I should mention, by the way, the doors have been changed. This is the airing cupboard. You'll see that door, not the originals. So the internal doors have been changed. This is the bathroom. So what we have here is a P-shaped bath. So that has a shower end to it. Let me just step into this room and turn around and just point out the shower there above. It's a glass shower screen here. Sorry about the sun coming into this room. It does make the image a little bit glary. There's the wash basin, and we've got the low-level WC in the corner here. We've also got a heated towel rail just here on the right. So it's fully tiled walls and tiled flooring. Very nicely finished. And downlighters as well. So a nice modern bathroom suite. So that's the property. So what we have then, just to recap as I walk downstairs, it's a very nice 3-bedroomed, Bryant built semi, nice kitchen, nice bathroom, super decoration, and the floorings, worth mentioning, the floorings are all very nice as well. So it's just the garden to show you now as I negotiate the stairgate. So as I've mentioned, it's a south-facing rear garden. Let's go through these bifold doors into the garden. We've got a full-width patio here. Let me start just by showing you the side access. There you go. And as you can see, full-width patio. I'm going to walk over this side just to get away from that direct sunlight so I can show you the garden. There you go. Quite a mature garden, not overlooked, and south-facing. So that just about brings us to the end of the tour. Let's finish just inside the in the kitchen diner. If you have any questions, then do give me a call. My name is Gary. Telephone number is on the website, and of course it's the same number if you would like to view this property and book an appointment. So it just remains me to say thank you for watching.